Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the BABYCE electronic piano keyboard, specifically their 61-key digital model. This is a multifunctional electric piano designed with students and beginners in mind, and it even has a microphone function. Right off the bat, it's clear this keyboard is built to help newcomers dive into the world of music. It aims to allow beginners to learn rich musical knowledge and master those basic standard skills. It's also presented as a great option for students who need to practice when their main piano isn't accessible, and even for adults just looking to enrich their leisure time with some musical entertainment. Physically, it boasts a beautiful black and white appearance and is made from PVC. One of its standout features is its portability. With dimensions of just 630 by 170 by 45 millimeters and weighing in at a mere 900 grams, or about 2 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry around and maintain. This makes it super convenient for moving between rooms or taking to a friend's house. Let's talk about the keys themselves. It has 61 keys, and the description highlights that they have the same height and a certain sense of depression. This design is specifically mentioned as being helpful for strengthening fingering exercises, which is crucial for anyone starting out. Feature-wise, it keeps things focused but functional for a beginner. You get 8 different tones to experiment with, 5 rhythms to play along to, 5 percussions, and 6 demo songs. A cool feature is the ability to connect external devices like microphones, adding another layer of fun and utility, especially for those who might want to sing along. Overall, this BABYCE keyboard seems well-positioned to meet the needs of beginners, students, and adults who are just starting their musical journey or need a portable practice instrument. It provides the essential tools, a decent number of keys for basic playing, varied sounds and rhythms, and features like microphone connectivity in a compact, lightweight package. It's presented as a straightforward way to get those initial skills down and have some fun with music.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.